Alright, well let's take a little side trip down here to see if we can find Cougar Creek and where it comes into Salmon Creek. There's that little creek. So Cougar Creek is what we call a tributary of Salmon Creek. So it's a smaller body of water that flows into and contributes its water to another creek. And Salmon Creek itself is actually a tributary of Lake River, which is itself a tributary of the Columbia River. So all the water in the land up here that flows into these creeks flows into the Columbia River because they're part of its watershed. And here by the banks of the creek, I see something really cool. There's this big log that's sticking out, blocking the flow of the water. Logs like this are really important to salmon. We actually have a word for them. We call them large woody debris. And what they do is they provide a safe space for salmon and other fish to hang out away from the current. They're magnets for food items that they like to eat. They're just good habitat for all those fish. Now look at this. We have some underwater footprints, and they're pretty big. Look at those claw marks. What animal would be coming out of the water at night? Interesting question. Now, looking up at the bank here, I see that animal climbed out and went to this willow tree, and look, there is that diagonal beaver cut. I think we're dealing with beavers here, snacking on this willow tree late at night.